Lighting can make or break your photos, especially if you're shooting indoors. However, you can make the lighting more uniform using a softbox lighting kit and generate daylight in an at-home setup or your professional studio. Further, its delicate cloth layers that encircle and spread out a light source allow you to control the direction and shape of light, lessen glare, and reduce shadows. To choose from, there are a variety of best softbox lights, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put together a list of the best softbox lights from reliable businesses to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered how beneficial these items are for people like you. Check out my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Let's start the video now without further ado. Number 1. Neewer 700W 24-inch Softbox Lighting Kit. If you're on a budget and considering enhancing your studio photography, consider looking at the Neewer 700W 24-inch Softbox Lighting Kit. It has an affordable dual light system with different kits with octagonal, rectangular, and square lamp options, a lone-site and LED variant. Furthermore, the Neewer Softbox light provides a 3-lamp kit version and an overhead boom. However, the octagonal and square lamp kits are the ideal choices for those on a budget. Again, the Neewer octagonal softbox light, octaboxes, is suitable for shooting human subjects, but the square lights are ideal for all-purpose shoots. Moreover, regardless of the one you choose, you'll get a Cordura carry bag 285-watt 5500 kCFL bulbs, a pair of softbox enclosures, and 2 adjustable stands that range from 44 inches to 88 inches. Number 2. RaLeno Softbox Photography Lighting Kit. This softbox light is perfect for social media influencers, YouTubers, and vloggers. Although it's pretty basic, it provides all the fundamentals for your home setup. RaLeno comes with 20x28-inch enclosed softboxes, 285-watt CLF bulbs, and 2 adjustable light stands, ranging between 27 and 80 inches. In addition to being excellent for daily use, it includes polyester fiber diffuser panels and heat-resistant nylon reflectors. Meanwhile, the two 5500K lights give natural illumination but retain that temperature. However, the temperature shouldn't be challenging when used in your workstation or home office. Furthermore, the bulb's dual technology enables you to eliminate shadows without affecting your subject's features. Even though the RaLeno Softbox Lighting Kit can help you kickstart creating digital videos and photos on a budget, you may want to buy another mount or a boom arm later for photography. Number 3. Fovitec 3-Light Fluorescent Studio Lighting Kit. Another softbox light that made it to our list of the best softbox lighting kits is the Fovitec Fluorescent Softbox Lighting Kit. This softbox light features a 2500 W power output, thus it's versatile for many purposes. Additionally, it has a reflective inner lining system with dimpled silver that diffuses the light reflection. This top-quality softbox light is very compatible with all cameras. It is because it has a non-flashing continuous lighting system. Finally, this softbox light features a 90+ cry, which creates balanced daylight. Number 4. StudioFX 2400W Large Softbox Lighting Kit. Another softbox light that deserves to be among the best is the StudioFX 2400W Large Softbox Lighting Kit. It features an overhead boom mount, 3 large 28x20-inch softbox enclosures, 11 fluorescent bulbs, and 3 stands. Furthermore, its storage bag is unimpressive. However, the kit is an excellent way to enhance your studio shots without breaking the bank. The StudioFX Softbox Lighting Kit allows you to regulate your stands up to 7 feet high. With the boom's length ranging from 31 to 71 inches, you can fix the boom mounts to any of the stands. In addition, this kit's enclosures carry 5 45-watt 5500K compact fluorescent lamps, ideal for shooting daylight photos. For your preferred configuration, you can regulate each bulb through a behind switch. Number 5. MountDog Softbox Lighting Kit 203x283. The fourth softbox lighting kit on our list is the MountDog Softbox Lighting Kit. Its light reflector comes with silver film reflective fabric and a white nylon screen that helps to banish shadows and soften harsh light. Further, the kit possesses a one-piece opening that's easy to fold, transport, and store. Hence, it's portable to carry around. It also features 20x28-inch softboxes, an adjustable lamp holder, 2 light stand tripods, a storage case, and 2 95-watt energy-efficient fluorescent bulbs. Since it gives off 5500 K of color temperature, the bulbs stay up to 8,000 hours and give an incredible photography environment. Using the regular E27 sockets, You can change the bulbs as you deem fit. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up to speed with our innovative items, since they will make your life more simpler.